Hi, my name is Layla and I work in product management, and I'm going to show you how to change a toner cartridge. So you can see on the machine we're getting a message to change the toner cartridge, and it's calling out that the magenta toner needs to be changed. So we'll open the front panel, and as you can see with the auto-eject feature, the magenta toner is sticking out a little bit, so we know that is a toner that needs to be changed. So we'll grab it and pull it out and go get the new toner. So once we get the new toner, we can read the instructions, make sure it's right side up, and move it back and forth 5 to 6 times to make sure the toner is evenly distributed. Then we'll put it back into the slot. Then we'll close the front panel, and that is how you change a toner cartridge.